Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to navigate to a petrol station that you have found at the PetrolSpy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the this search bar at the top of the screen and select the location. Select a nearby petrol station, tap on it, and after that you should tap on this navigate button down below and you will be directed to your chosen navigation system, which is Apple Maps in this case. So here you can get the directions by tapping on the directions button, and here you should select your method of transportation, such as car, bus, cycle, and so on, and then you will be able to check out the directions and the navigation. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.